Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. In this additional, not in today's newspaper of Friday, March the 11th, 2022. No, in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional, no, it's the Tuesday edition. Tuesday, March the 8th, 2022. And I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku with 1 star. We have 3 puzzles left, the Two Stars Sudoku, the Tectonic, and the Binary. So now it's time for the Two Stars Sudoku. And for Two Stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. And this will be number 4245. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Alright. Okay. Yeah, alright. Let me start with the 8. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in the last column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8 in this row, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in the last column, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. Here an 8 in the 3rd column, so no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in this row, so no 8 in that box. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 8. So this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. Alright. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the 3rd row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. Okay. And now I cannot continue with the 8. Let me scan for another digit. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the 3rd column, 5 in the 1st column. So the column between 2nd column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Okay. Two. Let me think. 1. 1 1 1 1 1 1. We have a pair. We have a pair in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 1. We see here 1 in the second row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in the last column, so no 1 in those 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. Then 7, 8, 3, 4, 1, 4. Let me think. Interesting. 8, 2, 2. Yeah. 2, 2, 6, and a 4. 6 and a 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and a 6. We have a 4 and a 6 in this column, the middle column, so no 4 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, and the last row, the only place left for 2 should be there. As you can see, I'm now inside. Yes, outside it's too windy, so I've decided to come inside the house. So let me continue with this puzzle. Okay. Let me see. Double 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Okay. Then. Let me see. We have a 9. This column, 9 in that column. So the column between, middle column, only place left for the 9 should be there. These are 3 missing numbers. 1 is missing, 2. The 3 is missing.
Yeah?
And the 5 is missing. Alright, so the 1, the 5, and the 3. 2 missing numbers in this column. 1 in... Wait. 1 and a 5 in this column. 1 and a 5 in that column. So the middle column. 2 missing numbers. The 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6. And the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Then 2 227746. Yeah. 4444. 77. 99. 22. Yeah. Let's go here. 133 77 1 2 3 4 4 4 5 6 6 7 8 and 9. Four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this row, so no 9 in these two boxes. Here 9 in this column, so no 9 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 9. Should be there. 9. Okay. 4 6 4 6 and the 1. Okay, 9 4 5 and 6 6 6. Need a 6 here. 6 6. 6 6. Okay, 7 2 and the 6. 7 2 and 6. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay, so now 3 5 9 4 3 5 7 2 2 2 2. 7 and a 2 and a 3. Need a 3 here. Yeah, 3 in this column. 3. Wait. We need one of the missing number in this row is a 3. Well, we have a 3 here, so no 3 there. There 3, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there in this row. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 1. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above, so in that row only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 5 and the 3. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the first row, so the row will be 3 in the second row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. And look, we have a pair of 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. That means that that box in this row should be for the number 3 is missing. Yeah. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. 2, 6, 7, 2, 2. 7 and a 2 are missing. 7 and a 2 in this row. Well, we have a 7 now, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 and the 7 are missing. 6 and the 7. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 and the 7 are missing. Let me mark those. 7 and a 6. Here, 4 and the 6. Well, 4 and the 6. 1 box left in this column. I believe the 2, yes. 1, the 2 is missing. 1 box left in the second row for the number 1, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8. 8 and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6. And the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7. 2 and a 7. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 or more. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 6. 2 boxes left in the last row for the numbers 4 and a 6. 4 and a 6. Now we have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 1 box left in this row for the number 6. Now we have a 6 here. So this box can be 6 anymore. This box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be there. And the 6 goes there. 6 in the third column. 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finished. All right. Well. Yeah. Finished. And I like this one, but let me see. I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. I'm analyzing for those numbers for more than 5 weeks. We have here the 3, the 9, and the 2, the 3, 9, and the 2, the 8, the 1, and the 9, the 8, the 1, and the 9, and the 7, 3, and a 4. 7, 3, and a 4. Here we have the pair 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 3, the second pair. Yeah, all right. 2 pairs. Great. Well, thank you for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. We have 2 puzzles left, binary and the tectonic. Okay, see you then. Bye-bye for now.